We all have our parts to play. And if you're trying to play other people's parts, you're not going to be playing your part the best you can. And I know part of you is saying, you just don't know me, Brad. I am that good. And okay, great. So, but if there's a part of you that's willing to accept that I might be right, let's see what we can do about letting go of the responsibility for doing what isn't yours. Because when you let go of doing what isn't yours, you're much better at doing what is yours. So let's do some tapping on this, taking full responsibility for your own well being and only for your own well being. Even though I sometimes take on too much, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I sometimes take on too much, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though I sometimes take on too much, and I try to convince myself it isn't too much, but there might be signs that it might be. And even though I sometimes take on too much, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself, and maybe anyone else who might be involved, including all the people who tried to make me take on more. All this need to take on too much. All this need to take on too much. All this need to take responsibility for all these other people. If they're not doing what they can do, it's my job to pick up the slack. Even if it's things they should be doing for themselves personally, I still feel like it's my responsibility, which is fine if I'm caring for a newborn child or someone who's too incapacitated to take care of themselves. And even then, I can allow myself to get clear about what is my responsibility and what is my choice. If I come from a place of imposed responsibility, it can get complicated. It creates more stress, might even create resentment, and it makes it hard to do my best. When I come from a place of choice, I can feel more peace. I can be more clear headed. I can make better decisions. And I perform better. All this fear of not taking on this extra responsibility. I may not have had that option when I was younger. It may have been imposed on me. And taking on that responsibility for others was a matter of survival. And then I just got stuck in that role. And sometimes I look at other people and I think I'm the only one who can do what they need. And that's a lot of pressure and maybe a bit of arrogance. And I'm processing all of this, giving myself the freedom to more clearly see what really is mine so that I can be much better at it. I've stretched myself too thin so many times, and it messes with the results. Even if I tell myself, no, I still got great results, how much better could the results be if I really focused on what's mine to do? And how much better for the other people if they stepped up to do what they need to do? I don't want to enable people. I don't want to make it easy for them to limit themselves. I'm letting others take responsibility for themselves so that I can take much better care of myself and do much better in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Lather, rinse, repeat as necessary. Many of us have a lot of old programming about who we're responsible for and what we should do, and allowing yourself to get clear that, as you let go of what isn't yours to do, you can do much better at what is yours to do. And that's really good for all of us on this planet. So please and thank you. And if there's other stuff that gets in your way, I'm here for you. Thanks.